In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accountants in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the interface from accountant view to business view, so it's easier to work the way you prefer, whether you're collaborating with an accounting professional or managing things yourself. First, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks Online. Sign into your account as you normally would and make sure you're in the correct company file. Once your dashboard loads, you're ready to make the change. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the Settings menu. It's the small gear icon that opens your account and app preferences. Go ahead and click it. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the options that control how things look and behave, so it's the quickest path to switching the interface. Inside the Settings menu, look over to the right side for the option that says Switch from Accountant View to Business View. Click that link. The switch happens almost instantly. You'll notice the left navigation and labels update to a more business-friendly layout. Nothing in your data changes, only how menus and tools are organized. This is helpful if you prefer everyday terms and a streamlined set of options for running your business, sending invoices, reconciling, and checking reports without the extra accounting-centric menus. If you don't see the option, there are a couple of quick checks. If the link says switch to accountant view instead, that means you're already in business view and don't need to do anything else. If the settings gear doesn't appear, try refreshing the page, adjusting your browser zoom to 100%, or closing extra panels so the full menu is visible. Also, make sure you're signed in with a role that has access to view settings, since very limited permissions can hide some options. A few tips as you use the new layout. This change is reversible, so if you ever want to go back to accountant view, for example, when you're working through detailed reconciliations or your accountant asks you to follow their navigation, you can return to the same settings menu and toggle it back. The switch only affects your personal view. It doesn't alter your transactions, chart of accounts, or other users' data. That's it. You opened QuickBooks Online, clicked the settings gear, and used the switch from accountant view to business view option on the right. With this simple change, you can navigate more confidently and keep your workflow clean and efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to switch views anytime it helps you get things done faster.